Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It is a beautiful sunny summer day here in El Segundo's Recreation Park. It is Go Fly a Kite Day, and it looks like the wind's picking up, so let's get out there and have some fun.
Today, you're at our first annual Let's Go Fly a Kite Day here at Recreation Park. It's a new event for us. As you can see, a lot of families are out here to enjoy the weather and fly kites, do some arts and crafts. We've got a food vendor here. Just a fun day in the sun.
We're out here flying kites today. Go Fly a Kite Day. I mean, why not? We got Mary Poppins are flying kites, and so why not come out and fly a kite and enjoy the beautiful weather, Southern California.
I have to say, it's been kind of challenging for the parents to put the kites together, so that's been kind of fun to watch too. Kind of like parents putting things together on Christmas Eve. Luckily, we have really smart rec staff to help with that.
I grew up by the ocean too, where there's good breeze, and we absolutely went. Flew big kites, little kites, kites and trees, all the time.
So, what type of kite do you guys have?
I have a butterfly, a star one.
Oh yeah? Do you like running with the kites?
Yes.
Caleb, so you're here as the big brother.
Yes.
So what are you going to be doing today?
Probably just watching them, making sure that they're having fun.
It's fun, the idea of taking your kids to do things that you did when you were a kid. I think it's fun, just especially living in a town like El Segundo where you get to do things so easily. You don't have to make a big deal about going to the park and flying a kite, and it's pretty cool.
We're actually planning to do some smaller events throughout the year. We're kind of well known for our large events like tree lighting and frolic and hometown fair. But this is one of some smaller events we're rolling out, just more casual on the weekends, less intense, but fun. Spend some time in the park, get outside for the whole family. Sometimes families get overwhelmed at the large events, and especially Halloween, there's a lot going on anyway, and it's a rush. So we think it's important to fill out the year with some smaller events where more casual, relaxing, enjoy the park space.
While it may have been small, there were nothing but big smiles and high-flying spirits, making Go Fly a Kite Day a major event of the season. From all of us at El Segundo TV, I'm Ryan Denman.